Hello and welcome to Timmy's 10 again for an unboxing of a 2020 Hot Wheels. Today we have a McLaren Speedtail from the Hot Wheels Exotics. I have my two daughters, Julia and Carissa, joining me. Hello, girls.
Hi. Hello.
Number 227 of 250 on the year. Number 2 of 10 in the Exotic series. It's a funky looking car. Exotic supercars always ready to race. Born in 2019. There's some cool things right there you can read if you pause. And this has a 2017 copyright. Whoa, almost no glue at all. Look at that.
Wow.
That's actually kind of cool. Very nice looking car. Looks fast. All four wheels rolled well. And that metallic color you're looking at, I don't know if it's a gray or a blue, but that's all metal with a plastic bottom. And this car is made in Malaysia. Right there. Nice looking car. Alright, does it roll straight, Jules? Nice. It does roll straight if you go fast enough. Try it backwards. Ready? Oh! It's hard to get it going straight. Alright, that happened to you and me. Ready? See if we go straight. Yeah, it can go straight. Alright. How's it go on the track? I'm going to say it flips over. That's what I think.
I don't think so.
Try backwards. I think it's going to flip over again because it's got that low point.
Oh, wait. Backwards.
Yep. Julia, Carissa, let Carissa get in there and try it. Oh! Oh!
Yeah, it's gonna...
Terrible for the racket balls.
Yeah.
But that's because it's low here and it's low here, yeah. So... Alright. Let's try drifting it.
Okay.
Carissa first, Julia first.
Julia.
And we've been doing this new game where if you're on this side, you try to land it on this line. And if you're on this side, you try to land it on this line. It's not as easy as it sounds, that's for sure. She did it!
Good job.
Carissa's turn. Oh! Oh, is it on? Is it on? Oh, come on, that was over it.
Yeah.
Good.
Okay.
All right, ready? Way back here. Oh. Oh, I do it too hard. It's hard for me to do it. It's a cool little game, but it's really hard for me to play. Oh, so even that didn't even do it. Well, thanks, girls, for playing with me.
No.
Oh, there it is. I finally did it. Thank you, everybody that tuned in to check it out. And girls, thank you for playing with me.
No problem.
Please subscribe to Timmy's 10 again. And T10 out.
Bye.